What's up, everybody? It's Sunday, April 4th. This is the video to recap last week's trades, and also to give you some other information, and also to let you guys know that I will be streaming live starting tomorrow, Monday. Be in between 3:30 and 4:15, so you guys will see me trade live, for the purpose of, giving you some information and you seeing what trading is really about. I think going live will be instructional, but it would also let you, see the rewards and the risk in trading, and kind of, see what my process is. And I think it'll be helpful. Some of you guys, some of you guys were requesting it, and I'm trying to deliver. Again, it's for, informational purposes only. It's not, me suggesting that you buy or sell a stock, option, contract, or any of that. It is for you to see what trading is all about and see the rewards and risk involved with trading. And you're going to be seeing me risk 5% of my account, which is about $1,300 per week. $1,363 to be exact. $1,363. I'll be risking weekly in multiple trades. So once I get a signal from my scans, if I get a lineup with the daily and the weekly and the 2-day, it has to be 2 out of 3. If it's all 3, that's really a high probability trade. But like you see here, remember, yellow indicates a sell, blue indicates a buy. When I get these 3 different time frames, 2 of them saying the same thing, be it a sell or a buy, that's a trade. So I will be, having my scans done on a daily basis, and as and when they line up, they will give me a check or a dot. I would then go to the charts, look for further confirmation, and then I will look at the options contracts to see if it's giving me a price that I'm comfortable with. If it's giving me my price, I'm executing the trade. So you guys will see that firsthand on the live stream. This past week, I made 2 trades. Goldman Sachs, which was a winner, and then Uber, which was slightly a loss, break even. But on the Goldman Sachs trade, I bought here off the daily bar. You see the blue bar, and I sold the next day. Goldman Sachs is at 325.73. Closed the next day at 332. I was in the 335 contract. So what that means was I was playing for Google to trade above 335 before Friday's expiration. Being it was a 1-day signal, I got out in 1 day. Look, when I highlight this, look at this box here. You see the high was 335.75, so it went above the strike price, which was 335. I was in the 330 strike. See? And then I sold out at $300, so $104 for the contract. And then I sold out at $300, making a profit of $189 after commission costs. On the Uber trade, I made the mistake of getting out too early. Way too early. The trade was a winner, and I got out of it at break even. As you can see, it took off. I was in the 54 call option. See, the 54 call option, 2 contracts, $67. No, I'm sorry, $70. And I took a $3 loss on each contract with commission. I was down $15. So I got in here on Monday and I got out of the trade for no reason. So all I can say. Now let's look to see if how I stayed in the trade. This is what you guys need to see. You need to see the cost of making mistakes. Because if you aspire to be a trader, or if you get involved with trading, you're going to make some mistakes and they're going to cost you. This was a mistake. This is the contract over here. I got in. Let's go to the daily chart. It's a 2-day. Alright. Here, $70. Look at this box here. You'll see the price. You see 70. Look what it did the next day. Next day it went down to $59. This is the day that I got out. But look, even the option contract gave a blue bar. So why did I get out? Day after that, closes at $88. It's a high of $134. On Friday, at expiration, it hit $344. So $344 minus 70 is $274. Times 2 contracts, that's $548 that I missed out on by getting out of the trade prematurely. These are the types of mistakes that can cost you, and it can really affect your equity curve or your ability to be successful in trading. I share that with you all to let you know what, you're going to deal with that. You're going to make emotional decisions where you're going to get out of positions too early based on your P&L. But to be honest, I can't even tell you why I got out of that. But it happens. So let's look at what I might be what I'm looking at this week. Remember, I always defer to the weekly chart every Friday, seeing what types of signals I might be looking at. If it's a complete lineup, I'll take the trade. I'm looking at BABA for a buy. This is BlackBerry. Weekly, no lineup here. BABA is giving a lineup, but I'll wait till Monday to see what type of price action I'll get. Look at Dash again. DoorDash. No lineup, but it's still giving. This is what you call a basing stage. This is a basing stage. DoorDash is going to take off one day. I don't know what day. DraftKings, no lineup, but it's giving a weekly signal. It's actually giving what you would call a divergence. The daily is saying sell, the weekly saying buy. Facebook, I'm looking at Facebook on a sell. That's a lineup. So I'll be looking at that Monday. And the reason why I say I'll be looking at a lot of times these moves continue on Monday. I would say maybe 7 out of 10 times you'll see a continuation of a move to where you'll be able to get into the contracts cheaper as opposed to getting in them on Friday. Sometimes you just have to get in. Sometimes you may wait and you may miss a move, or you'll see me miss a move. But in this instance, I think Facebook will allow me to get in at a better price in terms of the contract. So we'll see what happens Monday. GLD ETF. You see, it did a nice advance the last 2 days of trading. This is the gold ETF. This tracks gold. Whatever gold is doing, the ETF tracks it. And Microsoft, no lineup. NKLA, getting a buy signal here. No lineup. SNDL is giving another buy signal. No lineup though. It's important for me to wait for those lineups because it gives me a better reward risk ratio when I do so, based on my experience and my analysis of my past trades. So I'm willing to wait. The S&P 500 and the SPY are both giving weekly sell signals. So I'm anticipating a down market this week. TLT, no lineup. So we'll look at BABA. We'll look at Dash. We'll look at Facebook for a possible sell. And starting tomorrow, I will be streaming live, and these videos I will be still doing, but doing them to like give you more, detailed information, breaking down the trades, as opposed to you seeing it on live. I will be, what I really want. I'll be engaged in trading. I'll try to explain the process as much as I can live, but I will use videos to go in greater detail or to give a greater explanation. So stay tuned. Chat with you guys Monday.